Hi everyone, and welcome to this workshop on creative community engagement. My name is Ellie Shipman, and this workshop will be around an introduction to participatory art practice and working creatively with communities. So what to expect during this seminar. So we're going to have a little moment to set up and download your workbook, which I've made for you for this course. I'll talk a little bit about an introduction to my own art practice and experience working with communities. We'll do an exercise called Making Connections, where we introduce each other. And we'll talk a little bit about creating with communities and exploring different facilitation styles through some case studies. The goal of this seminar is to make your own participatory project proposal, so that'll be our group challenge. And then in Have Your Cake and Eat It, we'll talk a little bit about monitoring and evaluation and how to make it fun and engaging. And then we'll have some time for responses and questions at the end. So first off, setting up your workbook. So please download the PDF that comes with this course. We'll work through it and we'll use the prompt questions within it to go through the tasks together. Our goal in this workshop is to create a hypothetical proposal for a participatory art project. So this is hypothetical, but obviously you can use it in your own art practice if you desire and if you have the resources and time and everything else. If not, it's a good exercise to just help to develop projects, to help respond to a brief, to think about budgeting, to think about concepts and ideas and different ways of engaging with communities. So I hope you find it useful for the rest of your practice anyway. If you have any questions along the way, obviously you'll be working through this in your own time, but do feel free to get in touch with me via email. It's ellie@ellieshipman.com and I'll be happy to help. Thank you for taking part. I hope you've enjoyed the seminar today and good luck with your project. Thanks.